how y'all doing? Welcome to another episode of Foods and Dudes. And trust me, we got a real good one for you today. As y'all see, we got two guests today, not just one. I got my main man, Greg. My brother from another mother, Salmon. And we got a special one for y'all. We got double shrimp burger with candied bacon.
How you gonna do salmon for us?
Now, we had a crinkle knife, right?
Okay.
We just cut that up real nice and thin. Cut the little edges so you get that fry effect. And we're gonna soak that with buttermilk, let the rest in the fridge for about an hour.
Okay.
Now after that, we're gonna season it, then bring it out, season it with some cornmeal, we're gonna fry it, and there we go. You're gonna see it's gonna look crazy just like French fries.
Get out of the way, bro.
Right.
Try it.
So we got salmon right here, right? I cut it nice and thin. We're just gonna add the buttermilk, so add that right there to that remote.
So add this right here to the save us. Ooh,
Yes, sir.
nice.
Now, Greg, you see right here, we got onion powder, garlic powder,
Right.
salmon rub, complete seasoning, and smoked paprika. Just add that to the salmon rub.
All right.
Now we need all that flavor, right? You see that right there? We need all that flavor. You know why? Because we call food with flavor.
All right.
If your food don't got no flavor, see you later. All right, so we're gonna mix that in right here. Yeah, just like that. Don't worry, y'all hands is clean. We're gonna mix that in. We're gonna let that marinate for about an hour, hour and a half. We're just gonna let that sit. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. My boy Greg is a Lakers fan.
Woo.
You know Team LeBron over here. What you doing?
Where we at?
You know that Damian Lillard just got traded?
You got them.
Come on, man.
Dame, listen. I'm a Dame fan. I like Dame.
That guy.
I like Dame. But he not going no. You know what? I'm not gonna say that because they tough in the East. They might be my favorites out the East between them and Boston.
Yeah.
He gonna watch this episode and come after you.
Nah, Dame, I rock with you, Dame. I rock with you. Tell you right now. Dame is my guy. I rock with Dame. I'm a Lakers fan. I rock with my guys. So
That's right. All right, so right here we got some bacon, right?
Ooh, I was gonna ask you, what you
Right?
gonna do with that
I'm gonna just lay
bacon?
one, and y'all gonna lay the rest.
Okay.
Y'all gotta get hands on too. I'm showing y'all. I'm not teaching y'all.
Okay, I
You know what
got
I'm saying?
one.
I mean, I'm teaching y'all. I'm not showing y'all.
I got
Sorry.
one right here. I got
Add
right
that
here.
bacon on there.
Okay, ooh, my
Yeah,
bacon
Greg,
gonna be
get a little piece of
crispy.
that. Get a little piece of
There
that.
you go,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
Next
appreciate
shot.
that.
Divine sign.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna candy it, right? So we just gonna throw some brown sugar on there
Okay.
and a little bit of black pepper. Simple, but it hits every time. I tell you. Make you wanna slap your mama. You know what I'm saying? So
Or
right
whoever
there-
not a Laker fan, one of the two.
Now let me just show y'all one, right? We're gonna rub it in. We're gonna get every piece to have some sugar on there.
Okay.
And that way it can all cook evenly because sugar breaks down fast with the heat. So if you have one part that don't have sugar, it's gonna be flabby.
Okay.
We don't want that. All right, so now that we got that sugar all nice and covered, we're gonna take that black pepper, right? We just gonna put that with that black pepper.
I can't wait for the outcome. Actually.
Yeah. it's-
Now, after this right here, we're gonna put that in the oven on 350 this time for about 8 to 10 minutes.
I'm gonna try this on my date night.
Now this is very tedious, but this is what you gotta do. Alright? I'm gonna show y'all the nice one. Let me kind of freestyle it. I can look away. You know, I'm not gonna cut my fingers.
Yeah.
You know? You just gonna get real minced, right? Make sure you do the cat claw. Now they call it the cat claw because
Yeah.
cats you know?
Yeah.
So you just do a cat claw and that way the barrier of your finger, no matter what you do,
Protects you.
it's protection.
Yo, as I'm doing this, let me ask y'all this,
Oh,
right?
you got shirts?
Yeah, I'm good. Don't worry about it. I'm good. I'm good. You covered, bro.
Let's make sure that
I'm covered.
I don't, you know?
Listen.
Get your fingers up.
I'm talking about 50 years of hip hop, right?
Oh yeah.
Let me get your top 5 all time.
Top 5 all time. Alright, boom. Representing BK to the fullest.
Uh-huh.
You know B.I.G. number 1, Brooklyn. You know Foods and Dudes Brooklyn. Come on.
Mhm.
I'm not even gonna go Tupac number 2. I'm gonna go Jadakiss number 2, right?
Yeah.
Straight bars. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? They're still doing it.
Yeah.
Tupac is great, but he's not here no more. So he don't have the body of work that Jadakiss do.
Okay.
Alright, so after that, I'm really gonna stay in New York City. I could really go around. I could go to LA, but I'm gonna just stay in New York City. So I got Biggie, I got Jada. Then I'm gonna throw Ghostface in there.
Ooh.
Raekwon,
Ghost.
Ooh.
Fabulous. That's my top 5 in
Top
New York
5?
City. If you want to go overall, but let me hear y'all top 5 in Brooklyn. If you could go
In New York?
In New
Are we
York.
talking about New York strictly?
New York City.
So we gonna go with the GOAT, Hove. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that. That's crazy. The fact that you forgot about Jay-Z is out of control.
I'm so sorry, yo.
Out of control. Out of control. But we going with Hove, number one.
Ooh, number one.
I mean, if I would have said Hove, I would have put Hove number 2. Because I got, even though I said about the body with the Tupac, just hip hop, just Biggie Smalls is hip hop. Like,
I hear you. I'm not knocking Big.
Hove got a movie?
I'm not. That's cool. I'm not knocking Big. I'm not knocking Big. But Hove, are we talking? Do we know what we're talking about right now?
No worries.
Hove is number 1. Big number 2. Nas number 3. Kiss number 4.
Ooh.
Kiss number 4.
I might still get
No way I put Fab over Jay-Z and Nas. That's my fault.
You didn't even mention Nas.
That's my fault.
Didn't.
Let me hit number 5.
I can't lie.
So number 5 is shaky to me. You know what I'm saying? Because I like Pac. I like Pac a lot. I'm not gonna say I don't like Pac, but at the same time, like cats like J. Cole to me. Yeah. Cole is crazy. Kendrick. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I know people won't hate this. You can even throw a little Drake in there too. But I'm a Cole fan. I like Cole. So Cole has moved into my top 5 personally.
Okay. Come on, get in there, bro.
Alright, so look.
And then don't think we cutting all the shit by ourselves.
I know, I'm gonna cut a little bit of, claw. But I'm gonna have the same list he had, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add Pac in number 5. I'm gonna take Pac as number 5. Why? Even though he's not here, he's still killing the records to this day.
Yeah.
Am I doing this right, Chef?
Yes, sir. I'm an R&B guy. Like, I like to get, romantic.
Yeah.
Candle lights. Red wine.
Okay. Who's your go-to R&B artist? Not even top 5.
Don't kill me, y'all.
Just go-to artist.
Don't kill me, y'all. I gotta give praise to the king of R&B.
Who's the king of R&B?
Don't kill me, y'all. Don't kill me, y'all. I got R. Kelly. I'm sorry.
You know what? If you separate the man from the music.
Separate the man from the music.
Y'all looking at me?
Listen. Separate the man from the music. I'm not talking about nothing else about that man's personal life. The man from the music.
Just the music.
Let me say
Can't go wrong.
Man.
Can't go wrong.
Thank NFL for letting Usher get a shine. Because he about to be halftime show. We about to be dancing. Yeah.
I mean, I'm a Luther guy. I like Luther.
Okay, Luther the man.
I like Luther, but Usher's definitely, I would say Usher's
I'm a
guy.
Chris Brown is over.
Chris Brown is my.
I'm taking Chris Brown.
So here's my thing with Breezy, and I'll tell you right now, I might be the biggest Breezy fan you know, but here's my.
Listen, we here with it.
We all here with it.
I go crazy. I know every song, every mixtape. I go crazy.
But it's tough. It's tough to take it's Usher, bro. It's Usher, bro. Like Usher didn't leave. He didn't lose. He didn't leave. He didn't lose a step.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying? But I feel like if it's like Kobe and Jordan to me, right? You're like 1A type. Well, Breezy and Usher.
I respect that. All right, Ramon.
Am I cutting
We're taking a little too long with this. Let me finish this up. Let me show y'all.
We need you a professional.
All right, so once we're done with this shrimp, we're just gonna season it up. We're gonna bind it together. That's why I got this glass right here. I maybe thought I was waiting for a cup of wine, right? Nah, this is for the shrimp.
Okay.
So let me ask you a question. When it comes to shrimp, do you got to season shrimp? Like, you know how you season steak and other stuff? Like, how do you season shrimp? Like, does that have to be as...
You don't have to... You don't want to be too powerful, right? Okay. So what I do with seasoned shrimp, I do a salmon rub. So it's just onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, and it's because I put about 5 seasonings, but you just want to sprinkle a little bit because the shrimp is already salty. So you don't want high cholesterol. We don't want high blood pressure. Right?
Got it. Okay.
You see our skin color? It runs in the generation.
Right.
And it runs in our blood. So we don't want that. So we want to have good flavor, food with flavor, which is food with flavor. If there's no flavor, see you later.
Hey, I might steal that.
See you later.
See you later.
Slap your mama, throw the hands. You know what I'm saying?
No problems.
Now then we go right here. We're gonna grab a bowl. This is all you need.
Woo.
Throw the hands. Throw the hands. Real Brooklyn rights. All my Brooklyn guys know what time it is, right? That's what we need, right? We're not even gonna do too much.
Yeah.
I wanna see who got the skills to make a patty.
Ooh, let's see.
Split that up in half. Let me see how do y'all think. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
You just right here. We'll figure this out, man.
I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we got a professional teaching us.
You gonna get it?
I do a little something.
No little something, just a little something. Okay.
Let's throw that last little piece.
Ooh. Nice. These classes you gotta pay for.
Look, my mom from Haiti, she made me do certain things. I had no choice but to start
word?
cooking with her since I was little.
That's nice. That's nice.
I hate what's going on over there. You know what I'm saying? Like I want more. I want better for our country, for our people. But you know, in God's time, it'll happen. You know.
Yeah, I seen what Akon said. He said if all Americans just invest into Africa,
Yeah.
we could all be rich.
No, I believe that.
We gotta really put in that work.
I believe that. I believe that.
Try to turn on my hands.
Hey guys, I mean,
See, your patty a little flatter.
it's a little.
Mine got a little.
That's why we got this right here, right?
Mine got a little.
Look, we're gonna make it even, bomb,
it.
right? We're gonna make it a little
Body
even,
to
bomb. We're gonna take all that excess out. Let that sit in the freezer for about an hour and a half, so it can get solidified and make it firm. When we cook it, it don't fall apart. And we'll be right back.
First of all, you know funny? Aaron Rodgers is my all-time favorite quarterback. No funny, no half-assing,
Word.
no BSing.
From Green Bay.
From Green Bay, he's my all-time favorite quarterback.
Like
Then he come to the Jets. I'm like, we set, and he gets hurt in 4 plays.
That's crazy.
That's insane.
I'm going to the game tomorrow. I'm going to the Kansas City game
I would have
tomorrow.
showed up to his locker room like, bro, fix your legs.
Son, figure it
I
out.
don't know what you about to do.
Figure it out.
Figure it out.
Figure it out. I'm not doing this again this year.
You about to lose me my money?
I told way too much for you not to be here right now, bro.
That's crazy.
Sickening.
It's
It's gonna be a good year. It's gonna be a good year. My Lakers looking good. Golden State got a
looking
nice
real
team.
good.
Yeah.
Looking real good.
Yeah.
Come on, let's not talk about that, man.
Real
Let's be serious. Lakers?
Who you see with? What you say?
Lakers.
Bum ass sons?
Lakers, Suns,
Who?
and the Bucks, man. Come
Yeah,
on.
he a KD fan.
I'm a KD.
But first of all, okay, let's keep it tall right now, right? Let's have this conversation. Let's have this conversation with Kevin about Kevin Durant right now, right?
Let's hear this.
Kevin Durant, I think, is one of the all-time greats. No
Absolutely,
funny.
he
no
is.
funny.
Not even think.
But
he is.
tell me, when has Kevin Durant led
Never.
Let the team?
led the team? Because think about it, he couldn't win without Steph.
I got you.
He hasn't won without Steph.
I got you. If Steph was carrying him, why he got the MVP final awards?
That's
twice.
That's cool. That's cool.
Twice.
You want me to give you an answer on
Let
that
me
one?
hear that.
Steph had a championship once KD left. Steph had a championship before KD came. Steph had a championship with KD. You tell me when KD had a championship without Steph. I'll wait. The Krabby Patty sauce.
Not at home. I made it just 5 minutes ago. This is the Krabby Patty sauce, right? I added some little bell peppers in here, mayo, chipotle peppers, vinegar, sugar, and a little bit of oregano. Now, with the extra meat, I actually made 2 extra patties. I made it a little smaller because we don't want it to be raw in the middle. We kind of want caramelized on both sides and cooked evenly in the middle. So I made them all evenly, as you can see the patties here.
Conservative.
Yes. All right. So we have some butter here, right? This is some vegan butter.
Okay.
I'm gonna change your life with this butter because it's so much better than the regular.
Really?
That unsalted butter is salted. They lying.
Right.
We got some brioche buns, right? We have mayo, red peppers, relish, vinegar, sugar, and some pepper.
I'm gonna have to steal that recipe.
Also
man.
chipotle peppers. Chipotle peppers.
Chipotle
So
peppers?
give it a little kick, right?
Spicy.
Got a little garnish, right? And instead of lettuce, we're gonna use parsley,
Okay.
right? And if we got some sliced mozzarella cheese, you know you gotta. Remember what I told you? Lemon oil your seafood, definitely.
Lemon oil, you see.
Hey, look at. Do you smell that bacon?
Nah. Yeah.
Ooh, that
Yeah.
smells like some candy bacon.
Wee.
Let's get these patties on the cast iron,
Okay.
right? So we're gonna have like about a tablespoon of oil in here, and we're just gonna add some of that kosher butter, right?
Alright, what am I carrying?
Sorry, vegan butter.
Ah,
Now let's work on the salmon fries,
yeah.
right? Now here, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salmon rub, and what's the last one?
Slap
your
your
mama.
mama.
Throw them hands.
Throw them hands, y'all. I'm just gonna throw that in there.
Hey. And
You gotta season everything, right?
This the
It's the
cornmeal?
cornmeal, right?
Okay, okay.
It's yellow cornmeal. We're gonna
And
mix that in right
what's
there.
this for?
What's that? This is right there. This is the pretty much the flour. This is the brine for you to fry.
Oh, for the strip, for the
Yeah,
fries, the
for
salmon
fries,
fries.
right? You want to
Okay.
give that little crunch pop. You know, you want crispy fries. We hate them salty fries.
Chef Henny Poppies was also called.
You better
Chef Henny Poppy.
put that
You
down,
know
my Henny Bobby.
Ladies, remember my boy Greg is single.
Very much so.
Hit
Chef
that
Henny.
Instagram.
The grand.
Mm-hmm.
Hey mama, I'm
Shrimp
making
burgers,
salmon fries. Don't ask me to make these at home, cause I'm not.
You want the oil to be 350, 375.
375?
It's different, bro.
Come
I'm
on,
telling
man. You already know Greg about to eat real cool. Really? You already.
Oh, you see this right here? See if I make sure?
Alright, cool. We gonna do it after you.
So nice and easy. You don't drop it in there. You just leave it nice and easy.
Nice and
Okay.
easy, right? I'm gonna go through and then do that, right? Remember that special sauce, right?
Yeah, sweet. Let me smell that one more time.
Woo! Smell the peppers and all that in there, right? We got mayo, we got bell peppers in there, we got vinegar, we got sugar, we have chipotle peppers, and we got a little bit of pepper. Ooh, a little spice. What Pop said? Shh, don't tell nobody. R.I.P. man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this. We're gonna add a little tomato.
Okay. Oh, that was my tomato.
Yeah, like
Look.
Let me see.
Yep. Thick ass.
Woo! We don't need that one. We don't
Need that other one.
Now here we go.
Here we go.
Chef man.
Here we go.
Chef man.
Here we go.
Bam! I mean the salmon fries.
Jesus. Bacon make you want to dance.
We need a lot of bacon, right? We
Make
need
you want to
we need
slap
all
your
that.
mama.
Throw the hands. What was that saying again? If it ain't food with flavor, see you later.